What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. This is tutorial 10 and today's topic will be again slicing, but in this tutorial we'll be going to talk about 3D array slicing, and that will be completely hands-on driven approach, because in the last tutorial we have already discussed that slicing is going to be very important. When you are going to deal with different dimensional data, probably a vector matrix or maybe some large scale data set something. So for that you need to understand slicing, indexing, all this basic functionalities of Numpy array. And to understand that, I thought of go via some sort of very slow but hands-on or exercise driven approach. So let me show you that what actually I'm planning to do in this tutorial. So this is the example one. This will be our test array. This is a three-dimensional array, only 24 elements, and from that array we'll be applying slicing to get this sort of element. For example, how to get this below from here. So 0 1 3 4, how to get that using slicing. Next will be that how to get the below, like 4 6 7 8 9 10 11, like this one, 6 7 8 9 10 11, how to get that. And then the most important one and interesting one, how to get this one, 16 19 22 70 20 23, like this. So and the last one will be this one, 6 and 7. That's it. So we'll be going to discuss everything from the hands-on point of view, and we'll explain you. Okay, so let me quickly open this thing. So this is my Jupyter notebook. So let me write what is happening. Okay, so that's it. So let me write tutorial 10. Let's mark it as a heading. Okay, then escape. Okay, that's it. So let's import everything. Import numpy as np. That's it, and we'll start our tutorial now. So in our case, let's define the array. So what will be the array? So it will be 0 to 23, means 0 to 24, and like this. Okay, so np dot arrange, it will be 0 to 24 and like this. Okay, so a will be this. So now we'll reshape this one. A equals to a dot reshape. So let me check the reshape. So there will be the three-dimensional array. So three-dimensional array, first dimension will be 2, means how many two-dimensional array? 2. And within the two-dimensional array, how many columns are there? How many one-dimensional arrays are there? 4-dimensional. And within that 4-dimensional array, how many elements are there? 3. So it will be 2 4 3. Okay, if you do it from the reshape. So I think we discussed this thing in tutorial second or third. 2 4 3. Done. So let's run this thing. See, we got this one. If you compare this thing with this, so see, this is similar. It is 0 to 11, 0 to 11, 12 to 23, 12 to 23. So like this. So let's try to get our first tutorial. So we need 0 1 3 4. So 0 1 3 4. So we need to concentrate on our first row and second row. First row means the 0th index and first index. So we need 0 1 and 3 4. So how to get that? So let me try to do one thing. So let me highlight with exercise 1. Okay, so for that a, then the slicing will be there. So there will be total 3 slicing, as we are having 3-dimensional array. So this, then this, and this. Okay, so we want 0 1 and 3 4. So this is the first 2-dimensional array. This is the first second 2-dimensional array, means like this 2, like 2 means 2 2-dimensional arrays are there. So this is 0th index, this is first index. So definitely it will be the first, we need the first one. So it will start from 0 and go end with 1. So 1 will be exclusive, so we'll only get this array. So from that side we only concentrating on this and this. So definitely it will start from 0 and end with 2, means 0 1 2, but 2 will be inclusive, so will be only ended up with 0 1 3 4, like this. Okay, and after that what will happen? We want only 0 1 3 4. So it means it will start from here and it should end with here. So it is column wise, index is 0 1 and 2. So it will be 0 until 2. So last index will be inclusive, so we'll get 0 1 3 4, 0 1 3 4. So 2. So that's it, we got this one. So how we got this one? So why we get this one, I'll explain you. So this one means this array, the first one. This means like we'll start from the 0 and we go until second index. So this is first index, this is 0th index, this is first index, this is second index, but the last one will be inclusive, so we'll be only getting this one. Okay, now if we applied again comma and colon 2, means it will start from here 0 1 2, but the last index will be exclusive, so we'll only get 0 1 and 3 4. So that's it. So what I'll do now, I will paste the code. Okay, Control C here, and I will write answer. So this is the answer. So let's go back to this one. So we need 6 7 8 9 10 11, 6 7 8 9 10 11. So let me go back here. So exercise 2. So we need 6 7 8 and 9 10 11. So for the same thing we definitely need this array. So the first one will be like a colon 1. So we need 6 7 8 9 10 11. So it means it should start from here and go until here. So how it will start? So we'll like this. So it should start from 0 1 2, it should start from 2 and nothing means until the end. Okay, and here what you want, we want 6 7 8 9 10 11. So if I write this thing, it is also going to return the same thing, 6 7 8 9 10 11. Like if you do this thing, then also it is fine, nothing required. Okay, so that's it. So let's copy paste this thing. Let me explain before that. So this means it is going to return this thing, and if you apply 2 colon, means 2 means 0 index, first index, second index, and nothing means it will go until the end. So 6 7 8 9 10 11 will be there, and after that if you want everything, so that is why I put this thing 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, so let's copy and I will put here. No, I think I did the mistake, this is not the one. Okay, answer. Okay, okay, so next is quite interesting. So we need 16 90 22 17 20 23, means we need like this one, 16 19 22 70 20 23. Okay, this will be very interesting. So we need this one, like we need this, not this part. Okay, we need this, but we don't need 18 21, we need this too. Okay, so for that we are concentrating on this array. So let me just write exercise 3. So we are concentrating on this array. So in our case it will be start with we need this one, so it will start with 1, means it will go until this. Okay, means this one only. Then we need 16 19 22, means we need all these 3 rows, right? So it will be start from 1, like this. 1 means this is 0th index, this is 1th index, the first index will be inclusive, so it will start from here to here. But after getting this thing, what will happen if you print this thing? Let me show you. We'll get this thing complete. Okay, see, we are getting this thing, this complete thing, as I told you. Where is our A? Okay, see, we got complete this thing, but our intention is to get from here. So what will happen now? So you don't want this one, so in column wise we will start from 1. It is 0, this is 1, so it will start from 1 and go until end. So just put 1. See, we got our result. Okay, this is very simple, guys. So answer will be this. So guys, I'm just doing this hands-on or exercise based approach just to help you guys to get familiarized with all those slicing techniques. So if you are not able to understand this thing, guys, please feel free to question, send me question, ask me for clarification. I will try to explain it again, but you have to communicate with me, or else I will think that I actually made you guys understand with all these things. Okay, so if you're not able to understand, that is fine. Okay, but please ask me question, and it is also applicable for all the Udemy students. Guys, thanks for purchasing my course, but don't take it lightly. You had already paid me, so it is now your responsibility to ask me question. If you're not able to understand something, or if you want more clarification, more examples, more exercise, please feel free to reach out to me. I will try to explain again. So let's go back to the last one. So here we need 6 and 7. Okay, so let's check what is required. We need 6 and 7. So again, we want this one. So first one, so exercise 4, we need 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 means the first, definitely it will be the first one. So what happened? Okay, first, so like this. So it will be only concentrating on this. Then we want 6 and 7. So what will happen? 0, 1, 2, it will start from 2, end with 3. So we'll only get 6, 7, 8. Okay, so it will start with 2 and end with 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3, it means we'll only get the second row. Okay, and after that we don't want 8 as well. So it will we don't want 8. It means it should start from here and it ends with here, right? So it means it should start from 0 and ends with here. If we do this thing, then only we'll get only 6 and 7. Okay, so no, let me explain you what is happening now. If I do this thing, I will get this row 6, 7, 8. See, I get this thing. Now I want only 6, 7, 8. For that, what I have to do? 6 is 0th index, 7 is 1th index. So I need 0 and 1th index. So I will start from 0 and I'll go until 2. So it means 0, 1, 2. So this index will be exclusive. So I'll only get 6 and 7. See, I'll only get 6 and 7. Right? This is very easy, guys. If you are clear on your if you're clear with your like concepts regarding this like bases, indexes, slices, and the dimension, whatever we already discussed in our earlier videos, then actually this is very simple. And if these things are like if you start feeling comfortable with this sort of like techniques, then machine learning and data science like algorithms are going to be very easy for you, or else it will be very difficult for you to understand. Okay, so let me, but I'm not saying that machine learning means only Numpy, but to do some sort of operation with the data, you must able to what do you say? You must be able to do all those sort of operation using Numpy and pandas data frame. So pandas tutorial will be coming, and after that we'll see everything together by with the help of some matplotlib chart. So matplotlib tutorial is also coming. So as I told you, machine learning means mathematics part one side, then actually mathematics and statistics is one part, second part is Numpy and pandas data frame, and the third part will be the plotting or representation of your data, that is plotting. Okay, so right now we are doing this thing parallelly. I was actually planning initially to start with the linear algebra tutorial, but I was actually not getting much time for this, so probably we can start it again, okay, from next month onward. Okay, so that's it, guys. Don't worry, I will try to upload this exercise file, and as well as I'll also give you the source code of this notebook, so it will be easier for you to understand, guys. So that's it, guys. That's it for today's tutorial. I know this is going to be very difficult for many of you, but don't lose hope. Try to understand, try to play around with the video many times, try to pause and try to apply those logics, start writing your code, then only you'll be able to understand. But still, if you're having any doubts after that, please feel free to reach out to me. I will happily answer your question. Okay, so once again, thank you very much for all the Udemy students for purchasing this course. Actually, it means a lot to me. Because of you, actually, I'm getting motivation to upload new courses every day, and thank you very much. And still, if you are having any doubt, question, please feel free to reach out to me via Udemy instructor communication forum. I'll always available there to help you. And for the YouTube subscriber guys, if someone is watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you should not miss the notification from next time. And if you are having any doubt, question, please feel free to reach out to me. And if you like the video, enjoy the video, please hit the like button, share our videos with your family and friend, or if you think someone else is also relevant, you can ask them to visit our channel, or you can recommend them. Actually, we're trying to reach bigger audience, so we're doing some sort of self marketing. I know it's okay, right? Okay, enough of talking guys, we'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, have a nice day.